I think you can be appealing and you can make promises and back it with proof without being Reese asks, I write a lot of copy in the B2B space. Could you do a copy or Nesby video on writing in a more professional tone without coming off as salesy? The amount of salesiness is sort of a decision that you make whenever you're writing. Like, how much promise and how much hype do you want to put forth? I think, like, all of your dreams are going to come true. And if you just do this one thing, like, you write in the B2B space. I mean, I kind of write in the B2B space in some ways. Like, Russell Brunson writes in the B2B space, right? Like, every person he talks to is a business. Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels, every time he signs someone up for ClickFunnels, that's a business. That's B2B, right? Would you say that Russell's salesy? He's very exciting. He's like super hype. Like, if you're saying you want more corporate talk, I don't subscribe to that. I think you can be appealing and you can make promises and back it with proof without being salesy, without being overhyped. That's kind of like a personal decision on how you write. But this B2B thing, like thinking of it as like, well, I got to talk this very specific way. You need to understand the language that your target market uses and then use that. If you look at some of the financial publishing space, some of the most successful promos, like I saw one recently, just absolutely just bashing the left side of the aisle in American politics. And the way that they did that was simply by using the words and thoughts and ideas and feelings that the right side of the aisle had about the left side of the aisle. So they were saying like, these guys are always trying to take your guns. Something like that. They're always trying to tell you what to do. They're always trying to tell you how to talk. They're always trying to censor you. Okay, so there's always, they use this sort of language. It's not about being more professional tone or not as salesy. It's about speaking with your prospect as they would speak inside of their own circles. If you're let's say you're talking to a tech guy or something like that, a SaaS person, what would they do if they were having their own little circle? If they were in the boardroom or the conference room talking ideas or talking about how to improve their business, how would they talk? Because they're people. That's what I don't like, this B2B thing. I write B2B, so I have to do everything different. No, you're talking to a person. How would that person talk? And what sort of message do they want to receive? Don't think in terms of salesy. You can still sell something new, easy, safe, and big to a SaaS person. So I wish I could get like use ClickFunnels. Like, hey man, you need to build like a very quick, simple solution that you can just have a product be sold without spending a ton of time coding or learning how to design. Check out ClickFunnels. Like, something like that is not salesy. It's just like, you can still do new, easy, safe, and big with that. So, I mean, I feel like you're overthinking this, my friend. That's what I kind of feel about that question.